Introducing Kamay Castilla or arrowhead vine Syngonium podophyllum of the family Araceae. Kamay Castilla is a young plant that has a slender petiole and arrow-shaped, thin, green, undulating leaves. A mature plant has bigger leaves and the blade becomes lobed. It is native to Mexico and Costa Rica. Various cultivars have recently been introduced to the Philippines, featuring leaves in shades of green to cream. Kamay Castilla serves as a natural air purifier for homes, acts as a natural humidifier, improves focus, creativity, and productivity, promotes restful sleep, has therapeutic and calming effects, and offers aesthetic and decorative benefits. However, avoid ingestion by children and pets, as the plant has mild toxicity.